CCBM will provide support for childcare for those in construction who need it through, we're hoping to do this through our women's committee, and we're hoping to work together with policymakers in forms of government to educate everyone on policies, or educate our key leaders in our women's committee about the policies, so that we can educate everybody else within our community about those policies. Also, as a committee, we're hoping to gain a network of other industry women that will help us to create new policies and implement new change that is actually needed in our construction industry around childcare.